Hello, this is Adam with Tech Dive AV Club. Today we're going to be talking about Movie Studio 16 Platinums and how to record audio directly into movie studios. So to do that, I'm going to scroll down a little bit so I can see the audio tracks. You can do this on any audio track regardless of the name, because you can always change those yourself. You can always add an audio track and do it to this too. But to start recording, you need a mic connected to your computer, whether that's your laptop mic or a mic. I use the Blue Snowball mic. I think it sounds great. As long as that mic is connected to your computer and it is the primary mic, it is the default mic for your Windows settings, and you would change that by going down here to speakers. Right click this button and go to open volume mixer. This is Windows, not necessarily movie studios. This is Windows I'm dealing with, and I'm going to go to system sounds, and then here you can go to recording and you can hit that your default mic is not. So I have a microphone array on my laptop. It's working, but it's not my default mic. I do not want that to be my default mic. I want my Blue Snowball, my pretty expensive mic, to be my default mic, so I have that selected as my default mic, and that's what Vegas is going to honor and use. So to use this as so now I have a default mic, a mic connected to my computer, and I want to start recording that microphone's audio to the track. So first I need to arm the track for recording. You can do this by going over to these three little bars. That's where you can see the extra buttons, and I'm going to hit arm track for recording. And it's going to want to know where to save the temporary files. To save all these recordings I might be making, it's going to want a space for that. And I'm going to hit OK, because that auto-generated file location was a place I was fine with. And here you can see the levels. You can see the what's called the ground floor down here. That's just a room noise of the mic. And then you can see if it's peaking or not. If I get really close to it, I have to whisper because it makes it extra loud. And so if I get further away, I can talk louder without having to whisper. I don't want to make it peak, but I'm going to peak. There we go. That's what a peak looks like. It'll show you if it's over inputting into the system, and that will actually create a distortion and make it extra loud and extra difficult to EQ. I'm actually going to have to go through and make that quieter. So if that didn't kill your ears, it's because I, in post, after I made this tutorial, softened that so that way you wouldn't have pain. So you can monitor all that right there. This will change whether or not you are mostly recording to the right speaker or the left speaker, so you can pan whether it's a right or left track, and you can change the volume of your overall audio track. That is the same volume. It doesn't change the record volume, it changes the volume of the track itself after you've recorded. Those controls down here are still available right here. So you may be like, that's great, I can see the mic and everything, but I'm still not recording. Well, there's a microphone button down here. This is how you start recording. Now you're recording. You can see my waveforms creating as I'm talking. This is definitely a recording, and it's going to sound exactly like the recording you're hearing now. So I'm going to stop this recording and hit done. That is, I can rename it if I want to name it something in particular, but I don't, so I'm going to hit done. It saves it as a wave. A wave is an uncompressed audio form, and so the wave file, you can use that elsewhere as well. So if you record something in Vegas, that doesn't necessarily mean it has to stay in Vegas. Vegas is Movie Studios. Movie Studios is Vegas. Movie Studios is just the consumer version of Vegas Pro, but it's all Vegas creative software created by Magix. Good stuff. And so now let's listen to it. Alrighty, you're going to hear a little bit of an echo because that is my mic, because I don't have headphones in. You're going to hear a little bit of an echo. That is not the recording quality. Now you're recording. You can see my waveforms creating as I'm talking. This is definitely a recording, and it's going to sound exactly like the recording you're hearing now. So it does sound exactly like the recording you're hearing now, with the exception of the echo from it playing back into my mic. Next time I'll have some headphones on. Sorry about that, but thank you so much for watching. That is how to record audio in Movie Studio 16 Platinum. If you have any more tutorial needs, please let me know in the comments below. Like if this video helped you out. Subscribe if you're looking for more. Check out our website if you're interested in what we're doing as a whole. We are multiple channels, and that is techdive.live, and we are getting that website up right now, and we're really excited about it. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Oh, and if you're looking to purchase the software, if you purchase it through our affiliates link below, that is super helpful. to us, we would very much appreciate that. Thanks for watching. See you next time.